Man, I've been there, stuck in the 9 to 5, feeling like a hamster on a wheel. You know the feeling? Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. It's soul-crushing, you know? I was working a job I hated just to pay the bills. It felt like I was wasting my life. I knew there had to be a better way. I started reading about people who had escaped the rat race. A lot of them were using this new technology, AI, artificial intelligence. At first, I was skeptical. Like, how could some computer program help me quit my job? But the more I learned about AI, the more I realized it wasn't about robots taking over. It was about working smarter, not harder. It was about using technology to automate boring tasks and free up time to pursue your passions. So I decided to give it a shot. I started small, using AI tools for simple things like writing emails and scheduling appointments. And you know what? It was amazing. These tools were like having a personal assistant taking care of all the tedious stuff I hated doing. One day, it hit me. I could use AI to build my own business. I could finally be my own boss and escape the 9 to 5 grind for good. I started researching AI-powered tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. I was blown away by what I found. There were AI tools that could write website copy, create social media posts, and even qualify leads for my business. It was like having a whole team of experts working for me, 24/7. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. There was a learning curve for sure. I had to figure out which AI tools were right for my business and how to use them effectively. But you know what they say, you gotta crack a few eggs to make an omelet. One of the game changers for me was this AI-powered writing tool. I'm talking about generating high-quality content for my website and marketing materials in minutes. Then there was this AI chatbot I used for customer service. It could answer questions, resolve issues, and even upsell products, all on autopilot. But the real magic happened when I started using AI to analyze data. I could track my website traffic, identify my target audience, and optimize my marketing campaigns for maximum impact. It was like having X-ray vision into my business, allowing me to make smarter decisions and grow faster than ever before. Fast forward to today and I'm living the dream, man. I run my own business, I set my own hours, and I'm doing what I love every single day. And you know what? I owe it all to AI. Now, I'm not saying AI is gonna magically solve all your problems. You gotta put in the work, man. But what AI can do is give you the tools and the time to create the life you've always wanted. It can automate the boring stuff, free up your time, and help you work smarter, not harder. So if you're feeling trapped in the 9 to 5 grind, I encourage you to explore the power of AI. You might be surprised at what you can achieve. Remember, the future belongs to those who are brave enough to embrace it. Think smarter, not harder, and you can achieve anything you set your mind to.